I spent a big part of my life in West Texas, in the Lubbock area, and if you can hear me, and I'm in Central Texas today, and if you look up towards the skies, that is dust. And that is rare in Central Texas, but the wind has been so high today in the Texas Hill Country that we're getting dust out of far West Texas. It's coming from Midland, Odessa, out towards Lubbock, Texas, that area. We're actually getting dust. If you look on the physical radar today, it's incredible. And we've had gusts up to 50 miles an hour, which is not the best thing for our high tunnels. So we're going to be cleaning up a lot of stuff the next couple of days. The high tunnels have just taken a beating today, but they're still here. They're still here, and that's something, because that plastic is expensive to repair, or expensive to, I shouldn't say repair, to replace, because that's what you'd have to do if we had these completely bust open. The end walls have taken a beating today, but that is a part of farming. That is a part of market gardening. And the good thing for those of you who do a backyard garden, it's easy to replant, easy to come back in. Larger scales, it's always more expensive and more difficult. On our little small market garden, there's some rows here in the center that we planted a few days ago, and I'm not sure they will survive this. But just goes to show you, weather plays such an important part of any gardening process. And I've never been a big fan of high wind, and today, as I said, we've had 50-mile-an-hour gust. These trash cans, I've had to just put rocks on them and lay them over. They've blown several times. And as you look back, again, you can see that layer of dust, which is very unusual. In West Texas, we would see it on a weekly basis, not uncommon at all. But here in the Texas Hill Country, where we have a lot of ground cover, trees, it's just not a real common thing. So anyway, just kind of the day in the life of when you're market gardening, sometimes the things you have to put up with and deal with. And we're not complaining, it's just part of it. Tomorrow we'll start the cleanup process out here, which it does set us a little behind. It's just part of it. But blessings over you, your family, your garden. Hopefully you're not dealing with this wind. I know a big swath of the United States did deal with this wind today. Hopefully this stuff is gone and we don't get another taste of this the rest of this spring. Talk to you soon from very windy, whirlwind family farm.